This is question number 11, 2025, paper 1, mathematics. So we are told a shopkeeper bought an item from a wholesaler. If the shopkeeper sells the item for 2,740, he would make a profit of 3x. The shopkeeper sells the item. If the shopkeeper sells the item for 2,340 shillings, he would make a loss of 2x, determining the amount that the shopkeeper paid for the item. So you are required to find the amount the shopkeeper paid to the wholesaler. So which means that we can form equations from the information given. So because if he sells at 2,740, he makes a profit of 3x, it means 200. So let's say let buying price be y. So if you take 2,740 and you minus the profit made, which is 3x, it should give you the buying price. If he sells at 2,340, he will make a loss of 2x. That means that if you add that amount to 2x, then you should be able to get the buying price. So these are two linear equations. So we can solve this. We can eliminate y. So we minus the first one from the second one from the first. So when you subtract here, this is 0, 0, and this is 4. 3x minus 2x, it will be minus 5x, and y minus y is equals to 0. So if we take 5x to the other side, we have it becomes if we take it to the other side, it becomes positive. So that means we have 5x is equals to 400. You divide both sides by 5, you divide by 5, you get x is equals to 80. So this means that the buying price, we can say it is 2,740 minus, multiply 80 by 3, that will give us 240. So when you subtract 2,740, you subtract 240, you be able to get 0. This is subtraction. So this is 0. This is 7 minus 2 will give you 5, and that will give you 2. So that is 2,500 shillings. That is the amount that the shopkeeper paid to the wholesaler. So that is how you work out that, and you'll be able to get 3 marks. So before I wind up, I would like you to join my WhatsApp group. And when you join my WhatsApp group, then you'll be able to get daily questions, free live classes, PDF notes. You'll be able to get marking scheme, predictions, voice explanations, and also I'll be able to help you with your homework. And this will be very useful to those who are sitting for exam and those who are expecting to sit for exam at the end of the year. So if you are a private candidate, you are very much welcome, and I will be able to guide you on how to go about the expected end of the year exam. Thank you for watching.